Here at Milwaukee, we have had a lot of requests to provide a battery-powered lawnmower. We have answered these wishes and needs of our end users, and now, closing the biggest gap for Milwaukee within the OPE space, I'm really proud to present our first lawnmower, the Milwaukee M18 FUEL dual battery self-propelled lawnmower 53 cm. The robust steel deck and blade design paired with the M18 FUEL technology delivers excellent airflow and a best-in-class quality of cut, while also having a cutting width of 53 cm. It has an outstanding peak power and startup torque to complete demanding applications. The mower can start instantly in tall grass with fewer clumps and missed blades of grass due to a blaze speed of 3,300 RPM. The mower automatically engages the higher blade speed under heavy loads and continues automatically adjusting the speed based on the required power, for example when traversing from lower to higher grassy areas. 3-in-1 grass management allows you to choose between mulching, bagging or rare side discharge. All respective accessories like the mulch plug, 70-liter bag and discharge chute are included in the kit and can be easily switched depending on your requirements. The self-propelled mechanism is adjustable via a wheel at the control cockpit with 5 different speed settings. Setting 1 to 3 are most suited for mowing, running at 2.5 to 4.5 km per hour. Setting 4 to 5 with a maximum speed of 6.5 km per hour are there to quickly help maneuver the mower to and around the job site. There is also an active speed management pedal for ultimate speed control. The handle has a 3-position height adjustment and it can be folded for compact storage and easier transportation. The mower has a single-point height adjustment at the side and you are fully covered with 7 cutting height positions ranging from 2.5 to 10 cm. Front and side headlights deliver 180-degree visibility for increased awareness and precision. We highly recommend using 2 12-amp batteries for optimum power and runtime. Using 2 12-amp batteries while removing 2.5 cm of grass with a self-propelled speed of 4 km per hour, it is possible to cut up to 2,000 square meters, so half an acre of grass. In our quest to provide high-end battery-operated OPE tools for professional end users within the garden landscaping, municipalities and agricultural sectors, the launch of our M18 FUEL dual battery self-propelled lawnmower 53 cm is the next big step forward. Thank you very much for listening.